Imagine this, you're out filming the perfect shot and suddenly your DJI camera breaks. Panic kicks in, that's an expensive piece of gear and now it's useless. What if you are stuck waiting weeks for a replacement? With DJI Care Refresh you have two choices. One gets you a new camera immediately, the other makes you wait. But miss a step and you could face even more delays. Forget to remove your SD card, well it's gone. Pack it wrong, risk for more damage. Don't let a small mistake cost you time and money. Here's how to do it right and get back to filming fast.
Well, actually, this camera was with me in 8 countries, 4 different islands. I took it pretty much with me everywhere. Everything that has a beginning has the end. Unfortunately, a few weeks ago, this camera, Osmo Pocket 3, broke. The camera was in a protection case all the time. But one day when I was packing my backpack, the camera fell from approximately 1 meter. It was in a case. I think that it happened after this accident. The first week, the screen hasn't been flipping automatically. It was kind of keeping at this vertical position somehow. 1 week later, it didn't hold up at all. You can see now the screen, it doesn't hold up in the vertical position. Whatever I do, even if I close it, I release my finger, it's automatically open up. It means it's just impossible to use the camera anymore in a vertical position. If I want to shoot vertical videos, I need to go to menu and deselect automatic rotation of the screen, select landscape versus portrait. Someone might say that this is not a problem. Well, yes, the camera is filming and shooting, of course, it's not a problem. But the thing is that now it is impossible to operate with this camera just with one hand, because every time you need to kind of keep your screen with another finger, and especially when you're shooting the photo session and you have like the other hand busy with other camera, it's kind of it's a deal breaker. So luckily I have DJI Care Refresh. I will try to apply for exchanging or repairing the camera and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they will do it.
For DJI Care Refresh you can choose between premium and basic plans. With premium plan, DJI ships a replacement camera immediately, making it the faster option. However, to proceed you need a secure warranty fee, which is usually 50% of the device price. This amount will be temporarily locked on your bank account. Once DJI receives your old camera, they will release the hold on your phones, completing the process. With the basic plan, the process takes a bit longer. You must first send your device to DJI and only after they receive and inspect it, they will ship a replacement unit. This means there is a waiting period between shipping your old camera and receiving the new one. Once you decide on a plan, the next step is to select your country, choose a device from the list and enter your shipping details. The web app provides detailed instruction on what to send back. You can also add notes if needed. Before shipping your device, DJI requests that you do not send any additional controllers and that you remove your SD card to prevent any data loss. They also ask you to secure the device properly with protective packaging to ensure it arrives safely. Once everything is set, you proceed to payment. This includes the service fee and for premium users the authorization lock. When I submitted my request, I encountered an error message and had to reload the page before submitting again. After successfully submitting and completing the payment, you will receive a case number to track your order. Additionally, DJI sends a confirmation email with further details on the process. DJI typically ships the new device on the next working day, ensuring a quick and smooth replacement process. The new replacement camera has just arrived. It's only camera, also the product guide card, how to connect the camera, and also the thanks letter from DJI customer service. Let's unpack the camera. Let's do a surgery on a box. I don't know how about you, but I don't like unpacking. Inside the box, we have the Osmo Pocket 3 itself, compact and lightweight. There is a protective case to keep it safe when not in use and a wrist strap for extra security while filming. Also included is a tripod adapter, so you can easily mount it for stable shots, and of course the instruction with all the setup details. The thing is that yesterday I was in a chat with DJI customer service and I asked them what do I need to pack when sending back my old camera, and they told me actually only camera. So if you ever have like a problem like this, you shouldn't send any protection case, not a wrist strap. I previously bought the Creator Combo, which came with the DJI Mic 2, an extra external battery with an adapter and a wide angle lens, but this is a standard package. That's everything in the box. Now let's power it on and see what it can do. So we have foil, and that's how it should work. After turning the screen, it should keep horizontally. After turning back, it should keep vertically. And that's exactly what is broken with my current camera that I'm filming on. Anyway, I'm super thankful to my current Osmo Pocket 3 that was with me for 8 countries, 4 different islands, and like almost 1.5 years of amazing experience in filming. So let's now just set up the camera. Let's set up and register the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with an iPhone. First, turn on the camera, then open the DJI Mimo app on your iPhone. Select Connect, and the app will detect your new Osmo Pocket 3. Tap to connect via Wi-Fi. Most likely, the app will prompt you to download and install an update. This takes a minute or two. The latest update is a really big deal, adding lossless zoom and many other improvements. Once the update is complete, the camera will restart automatically. Now it's fully registered and ready to go. Alright, so filming now with my new camera. That's actually my old one that I'm holding in my hand, and by the way I need to remove the wrist strap. And that's what happened exactly. That, as you can see, I tried to close the screen, and once I released my finger, it's automatically opened. So it's just impossible to close it. You know, every time when I need to film in portrait mode, I need to keep it with the finger, like this. But especially when you're traveling, hiking, and another hand is busy, like, the thing is that having this portable small camera that you want it to be able to operate with only one hand. And yeah, this problem was bugging me like for a week, for 2 weeks I would say. So I decided to return this camera on the Care Refresh. Well, honestly saying, I'm super helpful with DJI Care Refresh, how it works. It's like the whole procedure of returning the camera. It took me maybe 5 minutes, and next day, it's like at the evening, I reported the return of the camera. At the same time, at the same hour, I received the return label. I had to pay like pre-authorization for my old camera. That kind of I will definitely return it back. Not I will hold it with me. The next day, DJI has sent me the new camera. It's 2 days after I have submitted confirmation for sending back my old camera, and now I'm holding and filming with my new camera. Yeah, DJI Care Refresh. Just thanks. You're working super fast. That's what I need to do in order to set my camera back, because the screen is not holding. Let's see. This is just another reminder how this protection case is useless and how this camera is fragile. And if you have this camera, and if you really value this camera, I would recommend you to purchase kind of extra protection on Amazon. DJI Care Refresh is worth every penny. It gives you the confidence to use the full potential of your camera without the fear of it breaking. Have you ever had to replace your camera in the past? Share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.